Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. And this one is the real reason for the video, but I thought I'd show you how to crop in the first video. If you didn't watch that, you need to watch it. So he wants to redo this logo. There's several ways to do it. I think the easiest is we're going to take the polygon tool, set on just three-sided, and not hold down the control button, kind of make it elongated. I'd really like that in a hairline. I constantly keep using other people's files, and hairline to me is just a lot of, I'm trying to move it with the four-sided cross and get it like right there. And he did say it doesn't have to be perfect. And so we're just going to try to get it a little bit more like that, and I'm not doing a very good job. Let's take away these center nodes. See, it's doing that because I'm doing it as a polygon. So I need to go to object and convert it to a curve. And then when I do this, I'm just trying to draw it about that shape. That's pretty close. Now, this shape, well, this shape's the same, but we can do that with a three-sided polygon quite easily because it's up and down. Make a note to myself to check whoever's file pen thickness to a hairline. And you can spend a little bit or a lot of time on this, but go to object and convert it to a curve. Really, you'd want to do it symmetrically the same. I'm going to get rid of the middle nodes. But for the video, I'm just going to eyeball it. Now this, some people might consider that a hard object to draw, but really this is just a rectangle. See how that really irritates? Anyway, you can take a rectangle and double click on it and you've got a skew. I mean, I hit that almost perfectly the first time. Don't rotate it. We'll call that good. So now let me change my nudge factor to like the 10 inches and let me nudge this out of the way. Doesn't matter that one of those is blue and lines. I'm going to take away the outline and I'm going to control G to group them. And then I'm going to control D to duplicate them. I'm going to use my alternate C hotkey to make them rotate to the center. And now that I just did this, I forgot, I think it's 30 degrees. Look at that. That easy. And see, by doing just third of it, you know, because to me, there's 5 parts in this line. But if you look at it, you know, the lines are just, there's 3, there's 3, there's 3. And there you have it pretty quickly and pretty accurately. I mean, I think it looks just like the original. I mean, I could be a little bit off, but I think it's pretty sharp. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.